Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's just JJ. We back at it like an addict, no rehab, because I'm Dick to give you guys advice. So, I got a guy that commented. He watched the video. I'm glad he watched it. His name is Garza. So I'm gonna address you, Garza. I know y'all like all this attention and stuff, but we gotta take this forward focus to the body shop here in a second after you get the strap. I like to, I'm gonna start addressing people. I know people live for attention. People live miserable lives and want attention. So he says I sell junk cars and stuff like that. Man, you can say whatever you want, my man. As you can see, I'm transparent with the cars I buy and sell. I buy them, I pick them up, I show everybody the transparency. I've sold hundreds and hundreds of cars. Yeah, you can go to Google and we'll look at some reviews. They not gonna, every review ain't gonna be the best. But that's just like anything. You probably eat at your favorite restaurant 100 probably ate at your favorite restaurant or favorite place to eat 100 times, but you probably never wrote them one good review. They probably treated you right 109. They'll probably treat you right 99 times, but that one time they treat you wrong, you gonna get on there and write a review. That's just like selling cars, and you don't even make no sense. How do you scam somebody when I have a place of business? If you was gonna scam somebody, it's me pulling up to, we meeting at two random locations. I sell you a car that I know that's no good, and I'll leave and you never hear from me again. I know the car is bad, you never hear. I have a place of business. I'm not going nowhere. Been here 5 going on 6 years. Not going nowhere. So hundreds of cars, and everybody's not gonna write a good review. Obviously, that's like I tell you, it's anything. Most people only gonna write a review when something bad happens. Nobody just never gets on there and like, oh yeah, it's rare people gets on there and write a good review. So just next time, speak before you think, and I'm make sense of it. I'm selling. You're buying a used car. You're coming to buying a used car. You check the person checks the car out. They drive the car. They like the car. They purchase the car. So how is that a scam? People just be logical next time you comment. I know, and I went back and as I can click on people's profile, and just like you watch a lot of the videos, but the one comment you can't even comment on all the videos that you watch. At least a thumbs up, my man. You could at least done that. No, the first thing you want to do, you want to go comment it. Your first comment ever is gonna be a negative comment. So, but hey, it is what it is. But we about to take this forward to the body shop and get it ready. We putting the strut on. So, put the strut. Show y'all the old strut. Yeah, and I'm gonna address the negative comments, man. I know these people be wanting attention, so I'm gonna address it. It doesn't affect me, but I just like to address it. Here's the old strut, old one. Like I said, go get that. Oh yeah, let me get the battery for it. I just got a battery. Yeah, so, man. Well, as y'all keep coming, but that's when you know you're doing something. When you get the negative comments, when you know you're doing something. It's crazy. People won't even comment, won't even give you a thumbs up on a good video. They're quick to talk crazy. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, he said I was trying to scam Wilson with my junk car, which obviously he don't watch the video, and obviously me and Wilson been doing business a long time, and I was literally just playing with him. But a lot of people live on social media, and then a lot of people start thinking social media is a reality. So yeah, I said the name Garza, whatever. You ain't even got a profile picture, my man. But keep commenting though. I appreciate the support. But like I said, a lot of people live on social media, and then they started becoming your reality. So all people do is watching YouTube videos all day And what y'all start seeing on the YouTube video, y'all start thinking like, oh man, that trying to dissect every little thing. Like, what is this? What is that? What is this? Like, nah, man, go outside. You see how nice it is outside, man? Go outside. Smell the fresh air. Smell it. Enjoy it. You know? Smell the fresh air, man. Go here, man. I know you probably locked in your room watching YouTube videos all day. Comment on something to hate, man. Go outside, you know. Touch a tree, you know. Touch a tree, you know. It feels good. It feels good to go outside and enjoy life. Enjoy it, man. Get off the computer, man. Watch the video. You know, if you don't like the content, man, go find some content that you do like watching. Go watch that. You don't have to watch me. There's millions of people dropping YouTube videos. Obviously, you was watching for a reason, so I appreciate you being a fan. But you know, appreciate it. Keep watching, man. But I'm gonna take this other junk car, you know, to the body shop, you know, to the guy Wilson that I was trying to scam, you know, like you said. I'm gonna take that, and we're gonna keep doing business, and I'm gonna keep selling cars. And we're gonna keep this thing rolling. So see y'all here in a second. All right, we got a lot of stuff. Taking care of a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, I gotta go get that. I gotta go get that. That's easy just to pop out and pop in. Get that taken care of. Get some of that taken care of. This will make some money pretty good. A little 2008 Ford Focus, a little Ford Ranger. You gotta definitely get a D-check. It's like, look at that. You gotta get that. Taken care of. But yeah, we'll see y'all when we get to the body shop. Oh, we just made it to the body shop for my guy Wilson. Wilson! Another day, another project. Got another project for you, Wilson. Project. A little rough. But it don't work?
No, it sound like the rest of them do. It sound like that's probably got that in there. It sound like the cord, you know, that strap in that's probably fucked up.
Yeah.
Cable, whatever, however the fuck it is.
We can fix that and then put the panel back on. Or would you have to get a whole new motor and everything?
Probably all the motor regulators and all probably go together and see it's got that cable on it.
Oh yeah, we probably have to go. We'll just
do the salvage, you probably pull one off, it'll probably come right off.
Yeah.
Over the head ribbon, it'll probably all come off in one piece.
Yeah, get that and then grab a tail light while we out there. Grab a tail light and see what that little part is under there that's missing. Only good seat in the car is the driver's seat. That's the only one that wasn't so bad. Whoa. No. Oh, I need to pop the trunk. See. All right, let me talk to Wilson. We get back to y'all, man. You know, man. You know, remember I scam people. Okay, I'll get back with you. Right, we got that deal worked out. He's gonna get us squared away. So what how I drive? Drive good after the struck. Yeah, because when I first got it, he was drunk. Yeah, so we're gonna get this part fixed, hang that bumper up. We go to the salvage yard, get that little motor. We get that straightened and all that touched up. We're gonna get this touched up, you know, just touch it up, you know. Just touch it up. It ain't leaking or nothing like that. You know. Get that touched up as well. got good tires, and then we put a full detail on there. Yeah. We'll mess with it another day. I know you got to get to work, so there you go. We'll mess with it another day. But yeah.
Tail light, huh?
Yeah, window regulator, tail light. You know, have it ready for when he pick it up. Then I can just take it right to the detail shop. Oh yeah, got to get that part under the hood too.
Yeah.
That piece to see what I got to see what it goes to. Yeah, it's got to go to something. Yeah, it's got to go to something. But we'll fix to get it all done. Then take it to the detail shop. Somebody get them a nice little car. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe, comment. I'm out. Peace.